I'm Major Mabuza. I'm the head of Department of Chemical Engineering Technology at the Great University of Johannesburg. What really excites me about leading my department is the fact that we are quite a youthful department in terms of staff, with different industrial and educational backgrounds. So, putting that together makes us a dynamically vibrant department that delivers on the UJ's 2035 strategic plan. The Department of Chemical Engineering Technology at UJ serves as a link between scientific innovation discoveries and industrial applications, processing a wide variety of materials such as chemicals, petroleum, mining ores, pharmaceuticals, and more. In particular, our research focuses on circular economy, solid waste valorization, mineral processing, which includes environmental engineering, sustainable energy, carbon capture and storage, wastewater treatment and remediation, as well as bioprocessing and food technology. Now, all these are important in today's world because they directly address the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And most importantly, we do all this through the application of artificial intelligence, life cycle analysis, and techno-economic assessment for long-term sustainability. In the chemical engineering program, students can expect to learn the design and optimization of chemical processes that convert raw materials into valuable products through the application of chemistry, physics, mathematics, engineering science, and economics. Now, what is important is that to gain entry into the chemical engineering program at UJ, one needs a minimum APS of 30 with English at level 4, mathematics or technical mathematics at level 5, and physical science at level 5.
Most people tend to mistake chemical engineering to be chemistry based, and that is not the case. I mean, it's engineering, so it has to have a lot of math, a lot of calculations, but chemical engineering has a little bit of chemistry. So I chose chemical engineering based on the subjects that I loved in high school, and it turned out to be exactly what I had imagined, so I couldn't be happier.
The chemical engineering program prepares students for future of work and 4IR by integrating digital technologies, sustainability, and complex problem solving in the curriculum. One such example is the use of Aspen Plus software tool for process design in our program, and the use of MATLAB for advanced mathematical calculations and machine learning. The program also ensures that students are competent in all 11 graduate attributes as ascribed by the Engineering Council of South Africa before they graduate. We are also looking for curious students driven by the desire and passion to solve complex problems by applying their mind and historical knowledge. Of course, we cannot shy away from the fact that an ideal student still needs to work very hard and maintain a high level of discipline within the program. But most importantly, they must enjoy themselves throughout the program until they complete their studies. Chemical engineering graduates are the most fortunate ones in the field of science and engineering because they have endless career opportunities. For example, common career paths in South Africa and globally include process engineering, process control engineering, production engineering, metallurgist, operations manager, safety officer, risk management specialist, and many more. Our chemical engineering qualification can take our graduates anywhere in the world. For example, we have graduates currently working across Africa. Others are working in the USA, Canada, UK, Asia, Middle East, particularly Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates.
I wanted a career that would develop me to have practical solutions that have a real impact on society. And chemical engineering stood out for me because we are involved in many different sectors. I'll talk about petrochemicals, I'll talk about pharmaceuticals, the mining sector, energy. Like, we're really involved in a different vast industries. So being here as a chemical engineer would help me nurture and develop certain skills that are very, 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 very innovative in the real world industries.
Industries that employ our graduates in South Africa and the world include petrochemical, oil and gas, mining and minerals, manufacturing, fast-moving consumer goods, pharmaceuticals, environmental and water, consulting and design, and in the banking sector, which is the most interesting one. Now, to ensure that our students are ready for work, we often take them on industry excursions at least twice a year so that they can have first-hand experience of what industry looks like. We also regularly invite industry experts to our campus to deliver guest lectures in our classrooms. And lastly, our student chapter, which is the Chemical Engineering Student Association, annually organizes a career day where different industries are invited to present on their respective companies and the available opportunities for graduates. The UJ Chemical Engineering program is fully accredited by the Engineering Council of South Africa. At the same time, the Engineering Council of South Africa is a signatory member of the International Engineering Alliance, which constitutes of 30 countries and jurisdictions across various continents. Now, this means that with the UJ Chemical Engineering qualification, you can go anywhere in the world without requiring any additional or educational re-evaluation or additional assessments of qualification competence. So one might ask, what does it mean to me, my students and my staff members to be part of a leading faculty of engineering in the country? To me, it signifies working within an atmosphere of academic excellence that offers students with the highest possible quality education that is unparalleled, endless career opportunities for graduates, and lasting prestigious status. Now, in its nature, chemical engineering is designed to improve lives and communities. This is based on the fact that we develop processes that convert raw materials into essential products for people to use and consume on a daily basis. We do this by considering the health and safety of the environment, people and communities for the societal impact and sustainability. Our students in the chemical engineering department, they do great projects which are very much impactful. One name that comes to my mind is Princess Dube, one of our brilliant graduates. She won the iChemie SciSo Medical in 2025. This was not only about winning the medal, but what struck me the most was the project that she did. Her project was about raising awareness of process safety, with the 2022 Bosbeck LPG tanker explosion being her case study. Her entry offered detailed examination of the key events, impact and critical lessons from the Bosbeck tragedy. To make the insights more accessible, Princess developed a compelling infographic that visually captured the main takeaways and safety recommendations, reinforcing the importance of preventing similar incidents in the future. There are many things that I'm proud of in the department. Honestly, I'm proud of our students, I'm proud of our staff members, and the hard work they put in to ensure that we remain the best chemical engineering department for the country. Every time our students get involved in academic competitions and those that are related to societal impact, they always emerge victorious. Most recently, a group of our honors students won the 2025 MinTech Hackathon competition. We also have prestigious award-winning academic staff for the work that they do in research, teaching and learning, and community engagement. To a prospective student that would like to join the great University of Johannesburg under the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, they should not even think twice about it. They should immediately submit their online application, because joining UJ-FEB would mean joining the winning team, and they will be guaranteed world-class education.